Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. Mathematics, SSLC NCERT, Chapter Triangles, Part 1, 2 and 4 mark questions with solutions. Part 1 prepared by N. Parmesh. First question, state and prove basic proportionality theorem over Arthel's theorem. Answer. Statement: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Data: in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. To prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Construction: D, C and E, B are joined. EL is perpendicular to AB and DN is perpendicular to AC. Proof: area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE is equal to half into base AD into height is EL divided by half base is DB, height is EL. Half get cancel, EL get cancel, that is equal to AD by DB. Call this as equation 1. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE is equal to half into base AE into height DN divided by half into base EC into height DN. Half get cancel, DN get cancel is equal to AE by EC. Call this as equation 2. Since triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base DE and between the parallel BC and DE, therefore area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Call this as equation 3. From equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3 we have AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Second question, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC if AD is equal to 5 cm, BD is equal to 7 cm and AC is equal to 18 cm, find the length of AE. Answer. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Substituting the value, 5 divided by AB is nothing but 5 plus 7 is 12 is equal to AE by 18. Cross multiplication, AE is equal to 5 by 12 into 18. 6 2s are 6 3s are get cancelled, 15 by 2. AE is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Third question, ABCD is a trapezium with AB is parallel to DC. E and F are the points on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB. Show that AE by ED is equal to BE by EC. Answer. Join AC to intersect EF at G. AB is parallel to DC and EF is parallel to AB. So EF is parallel to DC. Reason, lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. In triangle ADC, EG is parallel to DC as EF is parallel to DC. AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. Call this as equation 1. Similarly, in triangle CAB, CG by AG is equal to CF by BF. Taking a reciprocal, AG by CG is equal to BF by CF. Call this as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Fourth question, in the following figure, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF by EF is equal to BE by EC. Answer, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. Using basic proportionality theorem, BD by AD is equal to BE by EC. Call this as equation 1. In triangle BAE, DF is parallel to AE. Using once again basic proportionality theorem, BD by AD is equal to BF by EF. Call this as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, BE by EC is equal to BF by EF. Fifth question, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Answer, draw a line EF through point O such that in triangle ADC, EO is parallel to CD. Using basic proportionality theorem, AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. Call this as equation 1. In triangle ABD, EO is parallel to AB. Using basic proportionality theorem, ED by AE is equal to OD by BO. Taking reciprocal, AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. Call this as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, AO by OC is equal to BO by OD, which implies AO by BO is equal to OC by OD. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.